Hello friends, welcome to our channel RS Academy. So friends, today we are going to done a basic and small program of C. Hash include standard input output dot h, then enter, then int main, then open parenthesis, then enter, then opening of floor brackets, then enter. We are doing program of float f is equals to, we are taking f value as 10.00 semicolon, then printf opening parenthesis, opening double dash commas, then the value and size of f is commas percent f and percent d, then comma, then space, then f, then again comma, space, size of, then again opening parenthesis, in the brackets the value f, at last semicolon, then closing of the program, return 0 semicolon. So let's save it and see our output. File, save as,